What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your iPad device, specifically if you don't have access to the iCloud. If you forgot your password, you are here on this screen that looks just like this. Do not worry, I've got an iPhone in here. This is just a screenshot to show it to you. If your iPad is locked here to the activation lock and you want to regain access to it, I'm gonna show you a software here which is specialized in regaining access to your Apple iPad or iPhone device. Now, please note that it's very important that you should only attempt this on your own device, otherwise it will not work for you. You need to be the owner of the device, and this is actually a normal procedure that you can follow just to help you out without violating any terms or privacy policies and stuff like that. So do not worry, the software is a software which is reliable, which is focused only in helping the owners of the devices regaining access to their devices, so you do not need to worry about it. And you do not need to jailbreak your iPad or iPhone or anything like that. It's all 100% legal. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech guides as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. I would like to take a minute to thank Passfab iPhone Unlock for sponsoring today's video and for actually being here focused in helping a lot of viewers and Apple customers in regaining access to their own devices in a much faster way. Now here we go. We'll be talking about Passfab iPhone Unlock, which is this software in here that makes our lives much easier. So all you need to do in order to download is tap in the link in the description box below in order to go straight to this website where I am right now. So once you're here, you're going to tap on free download to download the free version in here, which is compatible for both Windows as well as Mac operating system. So if you are on a Mac operating system, download the Mac version. If you are on a Windows, download the free version. Now, you do have here the free version, and if you want to take things to a next level, you do have a few premium features in here that you need to pay for. We do have here 20% of discount now running here if you tap in the link in the description box below. So you can actually do or tweak a lot more here with your iPhone if you're facing activation, disable, locked, or even unavailable issues there on your iPhone device. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the software here to check how it looks like. So here we are in our computer, and here on the website, the very first thing you need to do is tap on free download to download, of course, and then install the software into your device. In my case, I've gotten here a Windows PC, but if you do have a Mac operating system, do not worry, the process is exactly the same here. In order to download and install the Mac version, you just need to tap on Mac in here, and then you'll be switching here to the Mac version as you can see in here, and then simply tap on free download to download the DMG version of the installation file. Now once this is done, of course, you'll have to find the installation here on downloads. Here we go. We do have this setup down here. Now this is just a file that occupies over 200 megabytes, so depending on the internet speed, it might take like minutes or even seconds if your internet speed is very quick. So all you need to do is simply double tap in here to launch the installer, and then you just need to follow the guide by tapping on next, 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 and install it into your laptop device. Now once that's done, you'll be launching here this software by simply tapping here, for example, on Passfab iPhone Unlock. It's already installed into my computer. I'm gonna tap on yes, and this is how this software looks like here once we open it up. Now before we even give a look at the software, let's quickly give a look here at an official guide here posted by Passfab themselves. So here we go, how to use the Passfab iPhone Unlock. Of course, we do have a lot of features in here. One of them is to unlock the screen lock. The other one, for example, is to remove the Apple ID. Of course, make sure you are the owner of the device in order for this to work perfectly. And then we do have here the remove iCloud activation lock by PassMDM, and then screen time passcode, and a lot more features in here. So basically, when we factory reset our iPad device by using the combination of the buttons over there, and then we actually install a new operating system, we always get to this point where we do have the activation lock. So in order to get rid of that, you can actually use this software right here in case you are having issues remembering your password or something like that. So over here, all you need to do is simply connect your iPad into the computer in here by means of cable. You can use a USB cable with a USB-A or USB-C, depending on the iPad model that you've got. Once you've connected it, and of course it needs to be turned on that specific lock screen, you'll then tap here on remove iCloud activation lock. Okay, once you connect it, of course it's going to detect here that you've connected the device. into the computer. And then in here, the process is very simple. You just need to follow here the procedure and the steps in order to get your issue sorted out. Now, if the device is not recognized, you can simply tap here once and then make sure that you check here this troubleshoot that helps you reconnecting or connecting it properly by replugging the device and unlock the screen. If that's the case, it's not the case, of course, because it's locked. And then you do have here the check of the USB cable connection in here, and make sure that iTunes can recognize your device if you are using actually a Windows computer, because in some cases you might need to install iTunes just to make sure that the drivers or the connectivity drivers are all synced. So whenever you open up the application in here or the software, it automatically recognizes and solves that connectivity issue real quick. So this is how you can actually get rid of the activation lock after resetting or throughout the process of resetting your iPad here if you are in a situation where you actually forgot your iCloud password and you don't want to go the long route to recover your password. You want something much quicker. This software helps you out with this issue. Now, if you're looking for a premium version in here, you can tap on buy now, and you do have much more features here offered by Passfab themselves. As you can see, we do have a 20% coupon code in here. All you need to do is simply copy this, and then you'll be actually able to redeem it while checking out. So over here, we do have 3 licenses: a monthly license, a year license, and a lifetime license. So make sure you give a look at it in here. And then if you're interested in one of these premium features in here, you can actually opt for the purchase of the premium version. So this was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for making it till the end of the video and for watching today's video. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing. And if you do have any questions or doubt, kindly let them down in the comment section so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.